Hi. Hi guys, I'm very excited to get this new coffee maker. My baby is here. Seems excited also. Can't wait to make the coffee with it. Look at this. Maybe one moment. Wrapped very well. It came within a day. One day it was in my house. I think this is just excellent. Excellent, excellent. Look at this. Love it. Gorgeous. And then take this. Wow. Wow, this is really a fine. Wow. Look. I think that could work with any type of coffee. Fresh grind. Excellent. Can't wait to do it. I'm gonna post some pictures or video when I actually make the coffee.